Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're just going to be looking at how to get a WordPress installation working for your development environment on your Windows computer. So I'm going to show you a few tools and the ones that are easiest to use and set up. So it's quite simple. Hope you enjoy following along and let's get started. Okay, first thing to do is come to the wordpress.org website and then click Get WordPress and then download the latest version. In this case, today's we have 6.3.2. So yours will be higher probably, but the process will still be the same. The next program you'll need is from MAMP.info, and this is to run your server so you can host it locally and install WordPress from it. Same again, click on the download and download the latest version. Once you've downloaded MAMP, install it and then run it, and you should have this come up in front of you. The next thing to do is go to your file explorer and check where you've extracted your WordPress installation to, and in my case I've put it in CMAMP htdocs and then the name of the WordPress installation, which again was 6.3.2, so everything is stored in there. So just make sure that your files have extracted to a location such as that. Next thing to do is type localhost in the top of your browser bar and then the name of the WordPress installation folder. Then if you click WordPress you can start the installation and then click Let's Go. Now for the next step you're going to need a database, and the best way to get a database on a Windows machine is with MySQL Workbench from Oracle. So take a look at the website mysql.com/products/workbench and then download it from there. Once you've installed MySQL Workbench and you've set up your database and your root username and password, then you're ready to go. You'll need to create a new schema in your database. Once you've done that, you'll see a new schema database set up with the name that you called it. This is what you're going to use for your WordPress installation files. Then if you look inside MySQL Workbench at Connect to Database, you'll see the username that you used and obviously the database and the host name. So take those and then it's on to the WordPress installation again. So fill in the details, and you want to make sure that you put your username as root for the database and the password for the database as well. On the next screen your database should be detected and the WordPress installation should tell you that it's okay to run the installation and proceed. Now the next page that you come to is your WordPress website information, so put in your site title, put in the username and put in the password and put in an email that you can access easily. It should then tell you success, and that should be your installation complete. So if you click login and then put in your details, you should be able to log in successfully. And that's all you need to do. I hope this has helped you, and if it has, then that's great. Please leave a comment. I'm always interested to know what people think, and if you can subscribe to the channel that would be great, and even better if you could like the video. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.